Children, today I am going to discuss the addition and subtraction of large numbers. The process of addition and subtraction is same that you have already studied. Only here you have to add and subtract large numbers. 9-digit number, 8-digit number, 7-digit number and so on. So here let us take one example. Add or find the sum of these three numbers. You see these are three numbers separated by सेमीकोलन साइन. इस साइन से पता चलेगा कि कितने नंबर्स है. दिस फर्स्ट नंबर, सेकेंड नंबर, थर्ड नंबर. नाउ यू सी दिस इज अ 6-digit नंबर, this is 7-digit number, this is 9-digit number. So you choose the largest number among these, then write it in the first place, then arrange the other two numbers according to one below the other according to their places. So you see this number I have written in the first place, removing the commas. Then this is the second number to be written in the second line. So children, you start to write this number starting from the ones place or from the right hand side. It will be convenient for you. Without any error you can find out. So you see this number is already written. You have to write this number in the second place. So start from ones place. 370 here, 370 पीछे से लिखते जाना है. Then 0808 5151. Okay, then this is the third number, 972 from the ones place. Here 972004004 and plus sign. Then start the addition from the ones place and you will get this number. ये सब आप जानते हो how to add, and after addition you have to put the comma according to the periods. Here after 3 places comma, then 2 places comma, then again 2 places comma. So this is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. The sum is 85 crores 28 lakhs 90,360. So you have to add the large numbers like this by arranging in columns according to their places. Now how to subtract? See, subtract 6 crores 23 lakhs 94,389 from 8 crores 3 lakhs 421. Children, remember in case of subtraction the number written after from is to be written first. From के बाद जो number होगा उससे पहले लिखना है. So write 803000421 in the first place. Then this number in the second place start from ones place. 983 ऐसे ही पीछे तरफ ऐसे arrange करते जाओ. You will get this. Then you have to subtract from the right hand side. See, 1 is less than 9. So ones place will go to tens place to borrow. 2 gives 1. So 1 remain here. You just cut it. Now you see 1 from the tens place comes to ones place. So it becomes 10. क्यों? क्योंकि children remember every place to the right hand side is 10 times more or greater than the प्लेस ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. यानी ये सब एक दूसरे से 10-10 गुना ज़्यादा हैं. सो ये जब यहाँ से एक लेके यहाँ जाते हो तो वो वहाँ जाके 1 नहीं होता क्योंकि ये उससे 10 गुना ज़्यादा है. सी 1 10 इक्वल्स टू 10 वंस. सो यहाँ का 1 यहाँ जाके 10 बन जाता है क्योंकि वो उससे 10 गुना ज़्यादा है. सो दिस 1 borrowed from tens place becomes 10 here. And previously 1 is here, so 10 plus 1 it becomes 11. So 11 minus 9 is 2. Now 1 is less than 8, borrow from 4, so 3 remains. Again 3 hundreds is when it borrowed from here comes to tens place, this one becomes again 10. So 10 गुना ज़्यादा है इसलिए यहाँ जाके 10 बन जाएगा. So 10 plus 1 again 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. Then 0 minus 4 less. Borrow from here लेकिन इसके पास कुछ नहीं है. So it will go to 3. Remains 2. Here 1 comes. It becomes 10. Again given 1. So it becomes 9. It becomes 10. 10 गुना आया so इसलिए 10. 10 minus 4 6. 9 minus 9 0. Then 2 less. Again borrow from 0 लेकिन it can't be borrowed. इसके पास कुछ है नहीं. So it will go to 8. 1 given, 7 remains. Here it becomes 10 but it will give 1. So 9 remains. It becomes 10 plus 2 12. So 12 minus 3 9. 9 minus 2 7 and 7 minus 6 1. Then put comma and your difference. The answer is called the difference. is this. So in this way you have to solve the addition and subtraction. Next I'll discuss the word problems of worksheet 2 one by one. Number 1A. A soap factory produced 26,92,645 soap cakes in 1 year. In the next year, it produced 8,67,205 soap cakes more. How many soap cakes did the factory produce in the second year? Means एक फैक्ट्री एक साल में इतने सोप बनाता है, दूसरे साल वो इतना सोप ज़्यादा बनाता है. सो दूसरे साल में वो फैक्ट्री कितना सोप बनाता है. सो दूसरे साल में तो इतना ज़्यादा बनाता है. ज़्यादा मतलब यू हैव टू ऐड कि कितना होगा. सो यू हैव टू ऐड दीज टू. नाउ द स्टेटमेंट विल बी हियर number of soap cakes a factory produced in 1 year is this number. Then more soap cakes it produced next year is this given number. Then you are going to find the number of soap cakes it produced in second year. So you have to arrange these two numbers according to their columns, add, and this is the answer. Then last, therefore the factory produced 35,59,850 soap cakes in the second year. Then next, in 1 year Mr. Mohan earned 5,57,088 rupees. His wife earned 3,23,672 rupees and their son earned 2,96,750 rupees. How much money did Mr. Mohan's family earn in 1 year? तो 3 मेंबर्स हैं, तीनों का सैलरी दिया है, तो तीनों मिला के कितना अर्न करते हैं या कितना कमाते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी इजी. यू राइट द स्टेटमेंट. मनी अर्नड बाय मिस्टर मोहन इन 1 year, money earned by his wife in 1 year, money earned by his son in 1 year. 3 values are written with rupees sign. Don't forget to mention the rupees. Then the fourth line is the total money they earn or earned by them. You add them and this is the answer with rupees. The final line is therefore Mr. Mohan's family earned 11,77,510 in 1 rupees in 1 year. Then the third one, in an examination conducted by an educational organization, this much candidates appeared. Candidates means students you can take. Out of these, this much passed. How many candidates failed? Easy. अगर पूरे एग्जाम में इतने सारे बच्चे अपीयर किए थे, इतने उसमें से पास हुए, तो कितने फेल हुए? जो बच गए मीन्स लेफ्ट नंबर्स. सो लेफ्ट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड बाय सब्ट्रैक्शन. So the statement will be number of candidates appeared in an examination is this number, number of candidates passed is this number, and you are going to find the number of candidates failed. So you have to subtract, give the subtraction sign, subtract and find the answer. Okay, and the last line will be 8,33,828 candidates failed in an examination. Then number D. In an election, the winning candidate got 6,28,496 votes and his rival got 4,56,298 votes. Rival means उसका opponent जो उसके against खड़ा होता है. If 3,846 votes were declared invalid, what was the total number of votes polled? Means invalid means जिसको काउंट नहीं किया गया. So एक इलेक्शन में इतने वोट्स जो जीता उस कैंडिडेट को मिले, इतने वोट्स जो हार गया उसे मिले, और इतने वोट्स काउंट ही नहीं हुए. तो टोटल आपको निकालना है कितने वोट डाले गए. तो ये जो काउंट नहीं हुए लेकिन ये वोट डाले ही गए थे. सो हाउ टू फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोट्स? यू हैव टू ऐड ऑल दीज 3. भले ही ये काउंट ना हुए हों लेकिन इतने लोगों ने तो वोट दिया ही था. सो कितने वोट डाले गए थे? इतने भी डाले गए थे, इतने भी डाले गए थे और ये भी डाले गए थे. सो यू हैव टू ऐड ऑल दीज 3 and your statement will be number of votes winning candidate got, number of votes his rival got, number of invalid votes. All the value you have to write here according to the columns कॉलम एकदम सजा के रखना so that it will be easy for you to add. Here I have not found the answer. You have to add and find the answer on your own, and whatever answer you get you have to write it. This much votes were polled in all. Then the last one, find the sum of the greatest 8-digit number, 7-digit and 6-digit number. So you have to write the greatest 8-digit number, 7-digit number and 6-digit number, and you have to sum means you have to add. So your statement will be the greatest 8-digit number is 8 times 9. Then greatest 7-digit number is 7 times 9. Start from the ones place here, 9 9 9 करके 7 बार. Then greatest 6-digit number, 6-digit का greatest number क्या होता है, 9 9 9 6 times. So you have to arrange all these numbers and then find the sum. I have not found out the answer. You have to do it on your own.